Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many operations on the application of Facebook. You will go to settings. In this list you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find here Facebook. Then this page of app info you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Facebook and then you can update your app, so please don't forget to support us by liking